Have you ever quit a bad habit, like junk food, social media, or smoking, only to find yourself slipping back into it a week later? It feels frustrating, like you're fighting an invisible enemy. In Chapter 10 of Atomic Habits, James Clear reveals the truth. Bad habits aren't just about weak willpower, they are emotional solutions. They exist because they serve a hidden need. Once you learn to uncover and fix the root cause, you can finally break free from them for good. Habits are rarely about the habit itself. They're about the feelings behind them. When you scroll endlessly on your phone, you're not addicted to the phone. You're escaping boredom. When you snack late at night, you're not hungry. You're stressed or anxious. Habits are emotional band-aids. The first step to change is asking, what feeling is this habit solving for me? When you identify the emotion, you discover the real enemy, not the habit, but the need beneath it. Most people try to fight the behavior itself, like deleting apps, hiding snacks, or forcing themselves to resist temptation. But if you don't fix the root cause, the habit simply comes back in a different form. Stress will find another outlet. Boredom will push you to another distraction. Instead, work on solving the emotion. Reduce stress with meditation or exercise, cure boredom with learning or creativity, calm anxiety with journaling or breathing. Fix the feeling, and the habit loses its power. Your mindset shapes your habits. If you see healthy actions as punishments, you'll resist them. But if you reframe them as privileges, you'll embrace them. Don't say, I have to go to the gym. Say, I get to move my body and grow stronger. Don't say, I have to study. Say, I get to learn and expand my mind. This simple shift makes good habits feel rewarding instead of burdensome, and it makes bad habits less attractive by comparison. When we try to quit a bad habit, we often focus on what we're losing. No more cigarettes, no more junk food, no more late night fun. That feels like punishment. Instead, focus on what you gain. Quitting smoking means fresh air in your lungs and more energy every day. Eating healthy means glowing skin and better sleep. Going to bed on time means more focus and productivity. When the benefits become clear in your mind, good habits naturally pull you forward. One powerful trick James Clear suggests is creating a motivation ritual. Before starting a habit, perform a small action that excites you. It's like a mental switch that tells your brain, it's time. For example, making a cup of coffee before writing, stretching before working out, or playing your favorite song before studying. These rituals anchor good feelings to the habit, making it easier to start and harder to skip. When you add these mindset changes together, finding the real cause, reframing habits, focusing on benefits, and using rituals, you completely reshape how habits feel. Instead of forcing yourself with discipline, you're drawn to them with desire. And when good habits feel good, they last. That's the secret to turning small daily choices into long-term identity changes. Don't fight your habits, understand them. Ask yourself, what emotion is my bad habit solving? Then reframe it, ritualize it, and focus on the benefits. That's how you break free and build habits that last. So, which habit will you reframe today? Comment below, smash the like button, and subscribe for more insights from Atomic Habits. Your future self is waiting.